Have you been experiencing irregular periods, weight gain, or sudden acne breakouts? These could be the sign of polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS. It's not just about the ovaries. PCOS affects the whole body in many different ways. What is PCOS? Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a hormonal disorder where the ovaries produce higher than normal level of androgens, often called as male hormones. These imbalances affect ovulation, metabolism, and overall reproductive health. What happens inside the body during PCOS? Irregular ovulation. Due to hormone imbalance, the ovaries may not release egg regularly. This leads to irregular or missed periods, which is one of the most common symptoms. Excess androgen levels. Higher level of male hormone can cause acne, oily skin, unwanted facial or body hair, growth, and sometimes thinning hair on the scalp. Cyst formation in ovaries. Small fluid-filled sacs or cysts may form in the ovaries. These are not dangerous by themselves, but they reflect the disruptive ovulation process. Weight gain and insulin resistance. Many women with PCOS develop insulin resistance, which make it harder for the body to use sugar effectively. This often leads to weight gain, especially around the abdomen, and increase the risk of diabetes. Fertility changes. Because ovulation is irregular, PCOS is one of the leading causes of infertility. However, with timely treatment, many women with PCOS can conceive. When it is time to see a doctor. If your periods remain irregular month after month, or if you notice symptoms like persistent acne, unusual hair growth, or sudden weight gain, this is important not to dismiss them as normal changes. These could be the early signs of PCOS. Early evaluation is essential to prevent complications and improve long-term health outcomes. The recommended investigations include hormonal profile tests such as luteinizing hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone, testosterone, thyroid function test, and pelvic ultrasound. These tests are available on Apollo 24/7, where precise diagnosis and timely guidance can support better management of PCOS and overall women health. Booking a hormonal test online through Apollo 24/7 app is a simple and convenient process. Log in or register on the Apollo 24/7 app. Search for a hormonal test and open the test page. Click Book Now and enter patient details. Confirm contact and address for sample collection. Select the convenient date and time for sample collection. Make payment and check your email for confirmation. PCOS affects multiple systems in the body, but it can be managed with proper lifestyle changes, medical guidance, and regular monitoring. Recognizing the symptoms early helps to protect not only reproductive health but overall well-being.